Hi Maggie, I just wanted to thank you for the wonderful talk that we had today and show you this super wonderful tool. This is what the capture form looks like and the personalized video. You can make a personal video for each person that you put this capture form over any page that you want. So it can be over your own blog or it can be over any other kind of website that you want to. So the possibilities are literally endless. And you can have a form without a video or with a video. So again, I just wanted to thank you very much for our great talk today. And if you fill out the form underneath, it's going to take you to the information about the Facebook application, which is also really, really cool. And it's going to send you some information about the social media list builder, which is the one that is for this capture form. So there's really two different companies that are doing this, and I just am combining them together into one thing on my blog because I think they're both so neat. So just doing what I can to stand out. You know how that goes. So I'll talk to you later, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks, Maggie. We'll see you. Bye-bye.